Hey, what's up everybody? This is Dom, and today we are taking a look at the brand new ringtones and alert tones available in iOS 7. Apple has completely rethought the ringtone process here, and we have all new sounds that you can use for your text messages or incoming calls, stuff like that. Ringtones and alert tones in here, and we'll also take a look at some new wallpapers and stuff later on, but I just wanted to give you a quick little overview of the new sounds here in iOS 7. They have been updated to kind of reflect the more futuristic design of iOS 7, and I will go ahead and go through a quick preview of each of these ringtones and alert tones, and then I'll go ahead and show you some of the other new sounds in iOS 7 along with the new wallpapers that were introduced in iOS 7 Golden Master. So let's check it out. So that's pretty simple. And like I said, I'm just going to go down the list and kind of show you guys what's new here. Kind of creepy. So as you can see, they're all kind of futuristic. So that's it for the new ringtones. Let's move on and check out all of these brand new alert tones here. So that's it for the new ringtones and alert tones, but of course you do also have the old school classic tones here in their own little category folder if you want to keep some of the original tones like this one. So you can go ahead and go into that classic folder right there, that little category, and choose from the older ringtones here in iOS 7. Siri has also been updated with a new sound. Hello.
Hello there, Dom.
So we have that little doo-doo, that new sound there for Siri, as you can tell right there. We also have a brand new sound for when you charge your device. Have that nice little soft beep, I guess. And so that is a new lock sound. It's not extremely different, just a little bit of reverb. There's still no unlock sound, so keep that in mind. But we also do have new wallpapers here. I'm going to show you guys exactly what those look like. We're just going to go through all of them. I'm not going to waste a whole bunch of your time with doing that, though, because there are quite a bit of them. But we have new dynamic wallpapers, and as you can see here, we have a bunch of different colors for them. And these will also match the new iPhone 5C colors that are going to be released, and that is pretty cool there. We have just different color dynamic wallpapers. I would have liked if Apple were to kind of change the style of the dynamic wallpaper, maybe introduce some new animations for this, but unfortunately they didn't, so we're stuck with these simple, stupid little dots here. But they do work fine, I guess, and they'll match all of the devices that Apple has coming out. So I'm pretty excited about just expanding the dynamic wallpaper category. Maybe we'll see more or different animations in future updates, but we also do have a whole bunch of brand new still wallpapers. There are a few of these wallpapers in here that remind me of Android, and I'll show you those in a second. We'll scroll down to the bottom here, and I'll just give you an overview of what all of these look like. I won't go through all of them, but you can see those three right there at the top. Those remind me of Android. And so here's just a brief overview of some of these wallpapers. I won't go into all of them, I promise, but there are a bunch of new wallpapers in iOS 7, that is for sure. And I'm kind of excited about that. They haven't changed the default wallpapers for quite some time. Here's those Android ones I was talking about. It just reminds me of the Nexus 7 for some reason. I don't know why, but I'm sure if you guys have seen some of those Nexus 7 things, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So just have a ton of new wallpapers here in iOS 7, and I wanted to give you guys an overview of all of what's new in the visual and sound department here on iOS 7 Golden Master. So stay tuned for this guy. We'll be dropping on September 18th, 2013, and you'll be able to update to iOS 7 to get all these new ringtones and all of these wallpapers here. I'm pretty excited about the update. I actually like how it looks, but let me know what you guys think down in the comments section below. Thanks again for watching, everybody. This is Dom, and have a great day.